kiss my lady. You drive me crazy. Can I be your baby? Ain't nothing shady.
She said my positivity is annoying. Being all this on camera.
You ain't got shit on camera. I didn't say that.
Oh, goodness. I don't want y'all to think of Jada as a liar, but,
Oh, that's guitar.
yeah.
Oh, but at least we can edit.
Yay!
Gonna edit when we at home?
Yep. So we about to, tell them what we got. Here, talk to him. She's being a butt. She said, say this shit on my chest. All right. Let me say it one more time. Jada Danae Heslip is being a butt.
No, we just got a cord so we can edit these videos for y'all because we haven't been able to edit. We got our intro made, so that'll be on our first video. Y'all probably already watched it. My tongue ring came out because I was spitting that real shit through Katara.
I almost said something.
You almost said what?
Because she be...
Whatever. We finna go home, cook, edit, all of that. Should we record us cooking?
Yeah.
She ain't cooking.
She don't know.
I do know. She finna be editing. Oh, you gonna need the camera, so no. But I guess it's our intro. Welcome to our channel. If you are new to our channel, my name is Jada.
My name is Amor. Or some people call me Katara.
And we are called Jada and Amor.
Get this.
But yeah, we're headed back to the cribbo. We just y'all, it's a freaking snowstorm. Levi is enjoying it, as we can see. Baby is trying to go to work. Levi is having the best life. Baby, Levi is enjoying it. What you using? Oh, goodness. Oh, Papa.
It's cold. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know it's cold as fuck. It's okay, baby. Yeah, it's cold as hell. Y'all, look at this snow. It's deep. They came through and they tried to, like, clean it. But this is crazy. Like, and that's because you got them shoes on. Levi, what you doing? What is he doing? He get that grease. Levi! Get out from over there. Move. You finna get a whooping.
Y'all come get y'all nephew.
No, seriously. He don't give no fucks.
My sock is wet, and that's pissing me off. Like,
That's because you should have put some tennis shoes on, Papa.
It was gonna stick through my tennis shoes.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you some Uggs. I'm gonna look on there today. Shit, they not gonna get it. Yeah, no, for real. Yo, this is our first winter storm. Levi keeps peeing everywhere, baby. He is marking all the sand. I cannot believe, look how deep this sand is. I said this sand. Did I say it earlier too? But they came through and they cleaned it pretty good. Get a little Levi pause.
Okay. Love you.
I love you too, baby.
See y'all later.
Okay. All right, stuck. Fucking stuck. Get out the way. The man is trying to help us. Leave her, hush. Look at guitar glass. They still wet in the inside.
See my nose.
Yeah, he's running. Now we got two men helping us, y'all. We can't figure this shit out.
I did that. I don't know what I was thinking.
This is what we should have did. And they got in. Damn. They got right in.
I've been out here for almost an hour.
God damn.
That bitch heavy, right? Hell yeah, you gotta throw that bitch on.
Hell.
Just toss it to the side. Just slip it to the side. Yeah. So just let that bitch slip. Push it. Push that bitch in the ball.
Little shandy, or whatever you really, really wanna be. You know I like it when you ride. Oh, you can't be my pride, and I'm thanking God you alive everywhere we go. You right here by my side. You know we can go wherever you wanna go.
Do y'all see this big piece of ice? Fuck, it's cold than a bitch. I don't want to discourage or, you know, if somebody want to move to a cold state or like living in a cold state, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just this is what you have to deal with. If this is something you don't mind doing, cool. But look how big this piece of ice is. Y'all see that? All 3 of those pieces. Crazy. Baby's in the car. So her battery is dead. And this is something y'all already know. But her battery is dead. So I have to boost her battery. While we're boosting her battery, I'm gonna still try to dig her out the best way I can.
My battery's froze.
Froze.
Damn, baby, you did that shit.
And so I was showing them the big pieces of ice on top of your car. If you can pop your trunk, I think the cable's in yours and stuff.
You got the key fob.
Yeah, ice is just
hell
falling
no.
from the fucking.
Oh, this is dangerous. What the fuck? We gotta show them that big ass icicle we got
On our patio.
on our patio. So this is how to help you if you have a Kia K5 2022. You have to get the key out of the key fob. There is a button you press, it pulls out. There's a button that's right here.
Hey! You are so
I'm glad you got it. Whew, shit. I ain't been in my car in a week, y'all. It looks pretty in here. At
You
least
got a Wendy's drink. Been in here for ages, probably frozen.
girl,
Frozen solid.
y'all. This Wendy's drink froze solid. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, here you go.
Oh Lord. I think I'm letting the wrong person under my damn hood.
Shit.
Be careful. Do you know how to make sure it's holding up still too? It's a thing you're supposed to lift to hold it up.
Yours is automatic.
Oh, okay. Do you know where the battery is?
Just trying to figure out. It's probably bolted in this bitch, so. Which it is. We're gonna have to. I might not know.
Do we got AAA? I'm finna go sign us up today. I don't think it's gonna explode. But I'm also don't want to test it. I'm
But
scared.
we can always drop the AutoZone, tell them the type of car you have. That's another situation.
And see what they
And
say.
then if they say go ahead and try to jump it, jump it. If they say no, you need a new battery, we'll get you a new battery.
Okay.
Look at the ice. Levi peed outside. It was a struggle. Y'all want a story time or what happened? I was mad as hell. And it's cold. Baby's working. She's working. But she ordered stuff.
I did.
And let's see what it is.
It's recording, baby?
You said what's up to him?
No, I did. Hey, lover gang. Bye.
Bye, baby. Peace, y'all. Alright, this is the first package. Don't know what this is, so let's see. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. It's a tripod. Don't mind me, y'all. I just woke up. I ain't do shit but take our son out to go potty, and this is what I look like. These are the results. Cool. It's nice. It's like a... Let's see how tall it gets. Just loosen up this part. And then that rotates it. We might put y'all on this. Real time. Alright. Oh, this locks. So you gotta unlock. And then the lock. See? Ah. You can lock it. And now it's locked. It doesn't move. This is nice, baby.
What is it?
The tripod. Good purchase. Look how tall that shit go. That shit, look, this shit about like 5'7". For real. It's nice. I'm about to put the camera.
Baby. No, seriously.
Yo, Jade is naked and she's freezing. It's negative like 7 degrees outside.
And it's 69 in here. Come on, bro. Katara tripping. What is wrong with you?
Oh, goodness.
Oh,
Okay, cool.
I was gonna take a shower. I can't get in the shower until it's cold.
And so it got a part to where we can hook up our phone. Don't mind my ashy hands. This is just the weather, man. So boom. Yes, sir. We locked in. Now let's see what this is. Okay, I was trying not to rip that bitch, but I'm impatient. What is this? I don't know what this is, but we'll keep it just in case we gotta use it. Maybe like to attach another piece. And then it comes with the good old in your hand pose on the cam. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Alright, good purchase, babe. Great purchase.
Great purchase.
Very good purchase. Alright. Let's see what the next box is. Uh-oh. Levi, be nice to Bella. Stop. Y'all see our cat run across the bed? Where'd she go? She's hiding now. Because they be into it. Bella. She's the cutest. He's the cutest with his Santa. Say what's up, bud.
Oh, I want a golden retriever.
Alright.
Is it recording still?
It is recording. Now we got the Yo Hoofin'. It's extendable snow brush. It just snowed what, like maybe 6 to 8 inches, maybe more than that, honestly. So this will definitely come in handy. Get the snow and ice off of Jada's car. Let's go ahead and put this thing together. Alright. It looks pretty simple to me. Just snap that thing in place. Just like that. This green button extends it. It's locked in place. To retract it, just push it back down. Push it down. Push the green to swivel. Oh, this hard. I ain't gonna lie. Where you getting this stuff from? Amazon?
Yeah.
Amazon got everything you need.
I know how to fix stuff.
Yeah, this gonna do the job for sure. My mom bought me one before I moved out here, but I lost it. I'm sorry, Mom.
It's probably in storage, baby.
It's somewhere. Alright, another great purchase by Baby. She never goes wrong with our Fashion Nova hauls. She never goes wrong with our home decor hauls.
Oh, we need to go to New York.
We need to go somewhere. Somewhere other than Milwaukee. Nah, it's good out here. It's good vibes.
It is very good.
But we just like to go travel, see different stuff. You know? And then she got us bio oil. Keep the skin nice and clear, dark spots. Cause I have dark spots more than anything. Like, my skin texture is not bad, but dark spots be killing my ass.
Somebody uses it. It goes by a lot faster now.
Y'all hear somebody talking smack?
Somebody stays in my stuff, so it goes by a lot faster now.
So one for me, one for you.
No, we gonna leave
You
open
go-
one
yeah,
at a time.
Nah, we gonna leave one open at a time, just so we can have the second one on handy.
And I ordered some else, but it's not gonna be here till Friday.
That's cool. AirPod just fell through the titties. Bio oil. Another good purchase. Huh? What is this? Oh, fundraising. I bought these for my nieces. Shout out to my nieces, man. Shout out to Makai, Sanaya, Mackenzie, Nala, Layani, Naomi, Nova Lee. Shout out to my nephew Darian. Shout out to Bailey. Shout out to Madison. Shout out to Cadence. I think I got all of them. But these are from Makai and Sanaya's basketball team. I donated. And you get popcorn.
You got some popcorn?
Yeah.
What? Did you get cheddar?
I got little kettle that could. I don't know what flavor that is. I got double good and queso fire. I got 3 of those.
Just order and shit. You didn't even ask me what I wanted, y'all.
And then I got butter believe it. And then I got double good my main cheese. This is for my baby because she my main cheese, my main squeeze. What's up, y'all? Baby that work on the phone with my package. Alright, let's see.
Okay. And what was your name?
Ball water official. It's official. Look at it. Trying to do it in here. It's not. Come on, Cameron. I want y'all to see it good.
You want me to record? Oh, you already recording?
Whoa. That's hard.
Extra.
It's not clear, making it clear. Say you're extra.
No habla inglés.
Danae,
What,
I have a couple questions for you. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
My heart.
What's a goal of yours?
To be able to provide financial security for my entire family.
What was something that you've overcame that made you the person you are today?
Being counted out.
Last question. Who is Jada Haslip?
Jada Haslip, who is she? God's child.
And you heard it here first.
Yes, 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 yes. So the burgers are done. Thank you, baby.
Voila.
Oh, she made my bun as onion rings. I want to try the famous onion burger, but damn, it's bacon on there. Oh, thank you, Poppy.
You're welcome. I hope you like it.
I know I'm gonna love it.
Josh, your lunch is ready.
I'm gonna try it. Okay. You don't want to try your food? You just want me to try mine.
Anything for her. She in the kitchen micromanaging.
I'm sorry, y'all.
I need more onions.
I didn't tell her before that I wanted to do like just onions as my, but she did an onion ring, so let's try it. Let's see. Oh, y'all, I'm so damn hungry. Yeah, we're going to the gym in the morning.
Is it good? You want to cut it?
It's really good. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Kisses for the chef.
Always.
So I'm gonna give her some. I said. Oh my goodness.
Jada don't like
baby.
eating bread, so I'm gonna do.
It just make me full really fast.
Right. That's why she don't like eating it.
I'm eating fries though.
But it's not like she don't like it. It's just that's why she don't get it because it make her. But I'm gonna do.
Two more
bread.
bites? No.
And we don't have whatchamacallit.
Oh, you toasting your bread?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, she's stepping it up.
She was gonna get this too. She wanted the onion. She eat her real burgers like that too, so.
Not from everywhere. I
She
only eat
take
the
the
meat and
bun
cheese.
off and just eat straight meat and cheese.
Oh. And mayonnaise. I'm putting it on the side. Why are you looking at my plate like that?
Cause it look good. I ain't gonna lie. My
Bad.
damn.
You have a bottle? No.
I don't like that.
Oh, you don't. That sucks. It's really good. I wasn't expecting the bacon. Oh.
Is it too salty?
No.
It's crazy, y'all.
You know it's good when you dancing and shit. I did my pickle. I'm really not big on bacon on my burger though. I'll keep this piece of onion on there and bacon. In the mayonnaise, you dip it in there, dip it in the mayonnaise. Get your pickle. Actually, I'm gonna eat the pickle after. I think I need a
You
little
want
bit
the
more.
spicy ketchup?
Some Whataburger. I think I don't want to use it at this moment.
One left?
I don't want to use it at this moment, yeah. I don't think I got one. It sucks. No Whataburger out here, so.
You got a regular one and then a spicy. You want the regular one?
Because hard wants me to eat my food with with ketchup very bad.
It just makes it better. That's not weird.
I normally would use spicy ketchup. When we went to Texas, we should have.
You got some from Whataburger?
Yeah.
We didn't even eat at Whataburger.
I got a whole bunch of golden chicken, them packets, y'all. We got a whole bunch of them. And I got that back in September. We'll be using that on our chicken. Chicken, baby. Get a little piece of Dallas at home. But this burger, 10 out of 10, baby.
10 out of 10. What Keith Lee said? For sure, you right on.
For sure, right now. Keith Lee would love this burger. Dip it in. Oh, I should have got some ranch, bro. Mayonnaise check. Onion check. I love onions, y'all. I can literally eat a raw onion like an apple. So good. You need to grow up, baby.
What you mean? You eat onions?
Yeah.
No. And I'll say the
Okay.
recipe later.
Woo! That'll do it. Y'all friend right here.
They nephew.
Y'all nephew right there begging. I wanna brag.
My hand, we can make.
Y'all, we finna head to
Yeah, yo. Hold on,
We're about to head
It's
to-
your big yeah. Hold on, let me for real.
Yeah, she's drunk. But
Hold
we're
on,
headed to
yeah,
the
it's your
movies. I had to
girl.
take this tag off.
Looking so good, yeah, I'm touching the floor.
Look at y'all
My
friends.
room's so cold,
Look at y'all friends.
Rubber yo knows, call me slime, cause I feed them like a dime.
Okay.
The best
Yeah.
PG that you done ever seen.
Yeah.
Coming from Triple D, man, you know what I mean.
Y'all, I can't. Yeah, the
Hey, real shit.
the liquor's liquoring. I'm gonna need
No,
you to chill.
real shit. This is the good life rather than the life I live. When I thought that I was gonna go crazy. Then my grandmama said the only one that calling me baby. And if you feeling me now, put your hands up in the sky. Let me hear you say,
Hey,
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 ooh,
I'm good. Okay, y'all, we finna head out. This girl is
Alright,
crazy.
we about to go bowling. See y'all later.
Bye.
Peace.
What you wanna eat, girl? Let's go get food. What you wanna eat? Like it's confused. You know I like it when you ride. Oh, you can be my pride, and I'm thanking God you will love everywhere we go. You right here by my side. You know I like it when you ride with me. You can be my side piece on my little shawty, or whatever you really wanna be. I think I really like you. I think I wanna wife you. I really do. I know I do. I really do. You taught me everything like I'm in school. I'm the ABCs. You my 1, 2, 3s. All I see is you and me. New game, number game. When Jada took the L, I get the
Good game, baby. We about to head home. It was a good night. I work tomorrow. She work tomorrow. Contagious, my lady. You drive me crazy. Ooh, can I be your baby? Ain't nothing shady.